We'd love to hear a bit about why you chose to go with the flow versus Solana, Binance, Ethereum, or are you planning to go multi-chain eventually? If you could go into a bit more detail about what advantages you see in Flow that helped you make your decision.
Yeah, it's funny that you use that phrase. Yeah, I think I used that last time we spoke. Go with the
Yeah,
flow.
yeah, I've asked you this before
Yeah,
when we did the AMA and basic base.
yeah, yeah. And flow is like a really cool name. But it wasn't because of the name, right? That we chose it. So again, I've been like looking into crypto since 2017, and then now this year doing like the new hype and looking at all these applications that were built. I really thought about it a lot. I looked at, I believe, 20 different blockchains, L2 and L1 solution. So where L1 is like the blockchain such as Ethereum, Solana, Flow. Those are L1 solutions. L2 solutions is like a layer 2 that is supposed to help scale, for example, a Ethereum that could be immutable X. So there are many solutions, like, and Ethereum obviously is like a really good choice. It's a really safe choice. It has the network effects. People want to use it and build on it because a lot of people use it and build on it. So that would be normally the best choice. But right now, it's so difficult to make something safe in Solidity. They have a saying that people who like have courses in Solidity, like A16C crypto school, every year they try to make their students find $5 in a Solidity contract. Every year, the students they find $10. That means that even the teachers, like the experts in the field, makes mistakes in Solidity. So that's one thing, right? So Flow is actually really developer friendly in order to create NFTs and make like have asset security. Another thing is that, well, they have proven some things with NBA Top Shot that it can handle a lot and probably is more scalable than Ethereum. Since we did see that CryptoKitties did break the Ethereum network in 2017, already now it's very like mind blowing how Ethereum is able to handle its traffic the way it's made. Also, gas fees. We want to make something that's accessible. That's why we have like the lowest price of a basic beast pack is $10. It doesn't make sense if people have to pay like $300 or $100 on gas fees. So taking those things into account, right? And then we have layer 2 solutions, but then, well, there are also problems with building there because of Solidity and then the gas fees. Eventually, it is like an Ethereum NFT and an Ethereum problem, which we don't know when it's going to be solved. And then we see like, yeah, Flow blockchain, asset security, scalable, the ecosystem is quite good. Yeah, it's developer friendly. So taking all those things to account, we actually ended up choosing Flow and learning Flow, like how to build NFTs there. Do we have plans for bridging? Was I think a question as well. Well, it depends also on the community. It's their NFTs, they own it, right? So let's say that something should happen on Flow where there's some reason to move to any other blockchain, such as Ethereum. We might have bridging, but it's not something we are like looking too much into. We really want to like build and help like the Flow ecosystem grow because a very smart man that I met, Nick from Decentrology, he said something like blockchains are a little bit like restaurants in the sense that some blockchains are good at some specific things, and Solana might be really good for DeFi. Ethereum might be good for general stuff, but Flow, like what he has seen, and he has been in the industry like for a very, very long time. Flow is like really, really good with NFTs. I think we like everyone who's building on Flow right now are at like a pretty good spot. So yeah.